Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm Mcbaj, and today I have introduce yourself.
You have Shakeman McClovin, aka your Hex Sugar Daddy.
Come on,
Come on,
come on. So guys, yeah, today I'm not going to be a photographer today. I'm going to be a model today, and I have Shay McClovin right here, who is going to be my photographer. he's going to be shooting me today, and although it's a raining day right now, like obviously it's like
going for a wet look. Well, I don't know how you interpret it, but I just said wet look. So
as you guys heard him right there, we actually had plans to like shoot me today, but we're going for a wet look because it's raining today, so we just want to make sure it still happens. So guys, I'll keep you posted on how everything goes. I'm gonna like vlog. Today is not about any model. Today I am the model right now, and I have Shay right here, who is like an amazing photographer. I'm gonna put his Instagram handle down below, and you guys can check out his work and everything. So yeah, let's make this happen, guys. I'm so excited about this. Yeah. So guys, we're currently at the location right now. We got some high-rise building right behind me, and so yeah, I'm just wearing this. It's quite cool right now, so I'll take it off when I take the picture. So let's see what we can make do here. Just trying to be fun. So guys, he decided to use his Canon SR for the pictures, and guys, I just need to tell you guys, the image is like really stunning. So yeah, I was trying to pose like a model, so guys, just allow it, like, because you know I'm not a model, so I'm just trying my best to like do some little bit of poses. It's quite cold on this day because it's actually rained, and we're somewhere around Greenwich in London right here. That's where we took the pictures because of the high rise. And yeah, I was just doing a few poses, and he was taking some pictures, and after we did some pictures, he decided to make some videos, which I used for my Instagram reel, and I'm gonna put the videos up on the channel right now too. So guys, I actually really learned a whole lot from him also, with the way he tends to like take his pictures, because he's more like a lifestyle photographer and also a portrait photographer. So I learned some few things, how to be really patient with people and make sure you actually get your shot, because he actually took his time and made sure I do my poses correctly before he took any picture at all. And he was actually very well, like the way he tends to like communicate with me made me feel very, very, should I say, comfortable in front of the camera, even though I'm always behind the camera. So guys, yeah, we just finished the first look right now, and yeah, we're going to the second look. He killed it, guys. Like, he killed it. I can't wait to see the images.
I'm not a model here. Who's looking so
you need to employ me to be a model. I can be a photographer, I can be a model at the same time. Are you joking, fam?
You see, just for team, we had to use two cameras. Two cameras.
See, this guy is hot too. He's the money man. So guys, currently doing the shoot right now. We're just grabbing a little bit like coffee and all of that, and the shoot really went well. So hi guys, we're finally done with the pictures, and it's amazing.
Just watch out for the final product, and yeah, that's what I have to say. I'm wild.
Nice, actually turned out really nice. Oh, it's a different type of experience when you're in front of the camera, like actually posing more like a model to like take pictures. But yeah, I guess it's good though. So yeah, that brings us to the end of my video today. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell down below to get notified when I post new videos. So cheers guys, and happy holidays.
Breathe.
Okay,
say it properly, don't rush.
Okay. So that brings me to the end of my videos. Good. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell whenever I post new videos.
You still need to breathe, you know.
Fucking hell, you know. The end.